Hello, in this video we'll go through a few examples that will give you a bit of context on different capabilities that are available directly uh, with the Blackbox agent. So we'll be showing one of the examples here, and this is we'll share the exact tab where this is implemented. So here, this will be available in the next few hours for users to directly have the ability to remotely send tasks to the Blackbox CLI. And so we'll take a look at the different, this task and what it actually did. So this is a, this is a pretty regular type of repo that engineers would typically work on day to day, and we gave it a broad task that can be general, and we didn't give too many specifications, but we told it to build a better database implementation. So it's very broad, but it can go as advanced as it would do it based on the agent capabilities. So one of the things that are available directly to users is they have the ability to uh, initiate several tasks remotely, turn off the device, come back when the task is done. Here we have the Blackbox CLI directly available, but also users can send the same and compare across Codex CLI and Claude Code CLI. So these are all available, and sessions can be as long as a 5 hour long duration of a task that takes the agent to continuously iterate on it and work on it. We're going to have a brief look at this specific task that was sent on all three CLIs right here, and you have the ability to cross-check and have a view of the different performances. So we're going to actually be opening these uh, in different tabs, and we're going to take a look at the individual performance of each of them. So here we're going to open this right here. So we're going to start with the first one. We're going to start from the last category, last rank to the first rank. So here we clearly see Codex CLI not doing a good performance at all. So you still have the ability to leverage it and use it, but we clearly see a initial level of implementation without much depth in the task that was done. So it's the start of a better database implementation, but we can't actually really move much forward with it. So this is the R that was raised by Codex CLI. Now we'll move to the Claude CLI, where we can also take a look at it. It's a bit of an improvement where we can follow what was done, uh, follow it overall, but not exactly what would be a complete and advanced database improvement that we would be looking for. So we're going to look closer into the Blackbox CLI implementation. And here you have an initial view of the to-do list that the agent decided to go through before before starting the implementation. And then you have an overall view of what was done and some of the things that uh, all components have been successfully implemented. And as it says at the end, the database implementation is feature complete and ready for use. So let's take a brief look at what actually was complete. So implementation complete, we're going to take a look at this. Advanced features, query optimization, cost-based query planner with statistics, lock management, uh, version-based concurrency control, buffer management, data types. Let's take a closer look here. Database supports a subset of SQL, including here, storage engine, buffer pool, indexing, query processing, transaction system, performance. The implementation include reduce disk input output through intelligent caching. Let's take a look at the share screen. Yeah, okay. So overall here we see a brief recap, and then now we can dive deeper into each change. We can take a look at what was modified right here. We also have integration tests over here. We can take a look at these. This is the index, this is concurrency, this is the buffer. So As you see, it went into a deeper implementation of the database improvement. You have the entire to-do list that the agent laid out initially and then went through and successfully implemented. So as you can see, you have the ability through this to remotely send tasks to the BLACKBOX CLI and others as well to compare and have different pull requests generated for your tasks that you're looking to implement on your repos. And we'll be showing some more examples on it.